Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a Get Quote section to your Wix website. This is a fantastic way to showcase inspiring quotes that can engage your visitors and add a professional touch to your site. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're in your Wix dashboard, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear, giving you access to your website management options. From here, take a moment to preview the website settings you have. This step is important to make sure that you're working on the correct website where you want to add the quote app. You don't want to accidentally modify the wrong site if you manage multiple websites. On this page, locate the Design Site button at the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to proceed to the next stage. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens and where you can customize your site's design and functionality. From here, start locating the Wix app market on the left navigation menu and click on it. This is your gateway to thousands of apps that can enhance your website. The Wix app market menu will expand, and from here you'll see various apps you can use and integrate with your Wix account. Now locate the search bar and type in quotes. From the results that appear, look for the one with Add Inspiring Famous Quotes to your website as the description and click on it. This specific app is designed to seamlessly integrate quote sections into your site. You'll now be directed to the Quotes Overview page. Take your time here and read through the app's functions and features to understand what it offers. Scroll down to see user reviews and pricing and plans. This information will help you decide if this app fits your needs and budget. Once you're ready, simply click on Add to Site. A small window will appear. This is the app permission page requesting access to certain features of your website. If you agree with the permission request, click on Agree and Add. The installation process might take a little while, so be patient as the app is being added. Once it's complete, the quote section will be automatically added to your website, ready for you to customize and use. And that's it. You've successfully added a Get Quote section to your Wix website, making it more engaging and visually appealing for your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.